Hey guys, how are you? A very good afternoon to you. Today I am going to speak about a very important aspect of payment. Yeah, very true. Payment. How to get 100% advance in payment. See people, we are all doing business and that's is for money. And money involves payments. We give some services or we give some goods to our customers and then we expect payments from them. But customers sometimes are very generous and they give us payment on time. But then there are people who haggle between payments also, that they say you take some 10% 15% advance, then you do your work and then take the balance after you complete your work. Even if we complete our work, there is a time that there may be people who can say you take payment after 15 days of completion of your work, or 30 days, or 60 days of your completion of your work. This mostly happens in government and big companies, where their purchase officers go and tell you that boss, we don't have a advance payment policy and we will give you payment against delivery, and that also after 60 days. So you should follow a policy of taking 100% advance in your business. But is it that easy to ask for our customers 100% advance? Yes, it is easy when you are doing your work in perfect integrity. When you are very focused in your work, you will definitely get 100% advance in your business. For that you will have to follow some certain 5 rules which I will give you, and then if you think that these rules will help you in getting that 100% advance, do follow it. Okay, well, first is excellence in your work. See people, whenever you are doing work, do it with excellence. Give your 100% or 110% in your whatever job you are doing. That will encourage and give you the confidence in asking money also, and that will also make the client give you what you deserve, and that will give you 100%. Second is involvement in your work. Once you are involved in your work, that will help you in growing forward, taking the charge of things which you think that are important and which can give your clients also a value for their money, definitely. Third is focus. Be very focused on the work you are doing. If you are not focused, if you are delegating that work to someone who is not capable of doing that work, then definitely you will fail somewhere, and that's why you won't be able to ask for that 100% advance. Fourth one is extra efforts. We should always do some extra efforts for whatever we are promising. Say if we are promising that we will do that work in say 10 days, if you are doing that work in say 5 days and giving whatever, if you are promising X, you are giving X plus 1 to that customer, then you can say that okay, nice, you are giving extras, and that is what you can be your unique selling point also for asking 100% advance from that client or other clients in the future. And fifth thing is take a role. Take a role in every aspect of your business. Take a role where you are getting the order. Take a role where you are completing that order. Take a role in the payment process also. That will definitely improve your involvement in the business and also help you in getting 100% advance in future. So guys, if you follow these rules, you will definitely get 100% advance in your business, and definitely your business will grow for the next hundreds of years. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe to our channel, and I will be posting for more and more management tools in the future. So best of luck for your business. Thank you very much.